Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of community inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, there has been a recent release around the community, actually a few different ones, but the one that we're going to be covering here today is going to be all around the search functionality inside of your communities. This is something that's already automatically enabled. You don't need to go in and turn anything on. It is just already there, which is fantastic. Basically, what this does is it allows your customers to go in and search through any posts that they're any posts that they can see within the groups that they are enrolled or subscribed to. All right, now to use this, if you go over to my screen here, all we have to do, or all they have to do, is go over to the top right next to the bell icon and your little user icon. Click on that, and then a little search bar or pop-up there will appear where they can type in any questions that they might have, or certain things around a topic that they're looking for, and it will show basically different posts that are related to whatever they're typing. All right, so for example, if I say the word people, right, it's going to pull up that post that you can see kind of right there where it says, "What's up, party people?" If I click on it, it should take us directly to that post and allow us to see any content around it, such as like the comments or the likes, everything basically around that post. All right. And that's basically it, right? Now, the search functionality doesn't allow you to search up names, for instance. I've tried that and I wasn't able to find anything there. Right, so I type in Tyson, nothing is popping up, even though that my name is Tyson, right? I'm in the community. It's not going to pull anything up specific to a person. It's got to be around the topic or the content that was within the post itself from people in the community. All right. So again, as an example, if I type in, let's see, I think good morning was one of them. Type in morning. There we go. Yeah. So I posted another example here, and just because the word morning is in there, it comes up. And that is basically it. Nothing too crazy here. Hopefully this was helpful as far as just showing you that this is a possibility within your communities. If you have any questions around anything in your community or ClickFunnels 2.0 or Classic, whatever, just let us know down below and we'll point you in the right direction. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll talk to you in the next video.